In this video, we will show you how to save Instagram stories with music. Maybe you are noticed the very good the Instagram stories. You can just save these Instagram stories also with the music. It's very easy how to do that. First, you need to get the Instagram username from the stories that you want to save. For example, I want to save from Facebook. So you can see this is the username is Facebook. After that, we can just go to this URL, storysaver.net. Okay, storysaver.net. Just type the username. Okay, for example, type Facebook. After that, you can click download. Okay, please click CAPTCHA. This method is also working if you're using smartphone on Android or iPhone. Scroll down and click Save as Video. Then you can click these three dot icons and select Download. Then you can click Save. After that, you can try to open the video stories. Okay, it's successfully downloaded with the music, but I already disable the internal sound, so it's not appear on our video recording. Thanks for watching.